Hi folks, Rusty Boltz here. We're rebuilding this compressor and motor. We just got installed the new motor base plate. It's a Kellogg American. You probably can't see that because of the reflection. But we also put a new air cleaner on it. We're getting ready to install the motor and compressor flywheel safety cage. We've cut some small pieces of angle iron and we're installing them on the safety cage here. Here's one. I'm going to get the other one installed and we'll get ready to install the cage after I put the other bracket on. Here we are back on the compressor job. We got the safety cage bolted down and it's running perfectly. It looks good. I made it so it's adjustable, so if you need to adjust it up and down or have any interference anywhere, you're able to do that. Take care and have a great day.